Okay, so I'm starting with a grapevine wreath. Grapevines, they're hard to come by right now. They're really, nobody has them. So I've taken this one apart, and you can see some glue up here. And I have a brand new welcome sign, and I have some greens. You make sure you trim off the front and the back. I have an easel to start out with, and I'm using different greens. And this is a fall wreath. So I'm starting out maybe with some orange, definitely the yellow, some orange. I have some green picks with red because of the fall colors. This should look very nice with my sign. And then I have some grass, fall grass. So I'm gonna let my son follow along with me, and I am just going to put this wreath together, and hopefully you will like it. This is the bow that I've chosen. So I hope that works with the colors here of the roses, and the white brings up the welcome. And then I have this little squirrel. So that's all my things. That's all my picks that I'm using. And you can follow along with me and see what I'm doing, and hopefully this might help you. Now you can use some picks that you've already used and you've taken apart another wreath, and you want to go with the grain. You want to go with the grain so that your picks are put in and they don't come out. You don't want them to come out. If they do come out, you can trim them off, and you can put embellishments with wreaths to hide your glue. So, and then you just trim off all this extra glue that kind of just falls. Everybody knows when they use a glue gun what this is all about. So, yeah. Okay. Like I said, go with the grain, and you can see right there. And then you can put it in, and you can fluff it up, and you can go around, and if you want to bend them and glue them a certain way, that's up to you. It's your it's whatever you like. And stand back and look at it, and this is how you get your vision. And if you need to pick up your bow again, you pick up your bow, and you go, okay, I need a little bit more gold or red in here. Now you can come down this way too, and if you want to just try it, and these bend, so if I want to bend it a bit and put it in this way, and then it catches the red in the other leaves. So you just stand back and you look at it. You don't have to glue that one in. And if you don't feel comfortable with it, then what you do is you just put them in and not glue them, and then go back and glue them. Sometimes that helps. Let's try that. So, here we go in with this one. And these move around too. So when the wind hits it, it looks real. And that's what you want, because your customer is going to want it to look real. You can buy, and I've seen them at the dollar store, some really beautiful material, okay? But it's all how you put it together and make it real. You know, you can buy stuff at Michael's or other craft stores, and you can tell the difference. Because Michael's for one pick is like, could run you from $19 to $26, where maybe you can get one at the Dollar Tree for $3. But if it works with the wreath and it makes the wreath look beautiful, doesn't matter where you get your picks. So then here we go in with the yellow and the orange. Look at how beautiful that is. Look how it picks up on the reds in here. And you're probably wondering why I'm missing one nail. I take this nail off to push my glue down so I don't burn myself, because I've had so many burn marks on my hands. So now I would get my handy little tool, snip it off. And you want to snip them off. Maybe try 3. Okay? And then you just go in, like I think I would want one here. And look at how it's facing out. Have it facing out. See? And this is such a beautiful color. So vibrant. And to put on your front door, like this. And don't forget, I'm going to put my bow here. So you don't want to put too much here. But I never put anything. You can see some glue on here. This is an old pick. But I haven't put any glue in yet. Just on some. So, you know, like go back to your bow and say, okay, maybe you want to take this out. There you go. And then you would put it down here. Now, and you can still glue this down, or you could wire it down with a little piece of brown wire that you have with all your other garbage stuff that you're going to throw away. And I might even put this up here. So, this is where I start, and I build, and I build, and I build. So, now I'm going to have a break, build it up a bit more, and come back and show you what I have. Okay? So just bear with me, and I'll be right back.